So my name is Bridie Adams and I am a final year Bachelor of Laws Honours and International Security Studies student here at the ANU. I decided I wanted to do law because I wanted to be helpful, I wanted to be useful to people, and I found that it really suited my personality. I love analysing things, I love problem solving, whether that's for a client or figuring out a law reform angle from my research. I also love the creativity that comes with problem solving in the law. So I grew up in Canberra, and so picking ANU was an easy choice, but also I found that you get the mix of academic rigour here at ANU as well as the practical application opportunity, both in class and out of class, in the extracurriculars that are offered here. So I've found that that's been invaluable to my legal education here at ANU. So an associateship is a position where you assist a judge in court and both outside of court. It's a great opportunity to get exposure to in-court advocacy, I found, as well as litigation, and I got the opportunity to see evidence law play out in court while I was studying it as well. The ACT Supreme Court put out an application for an editor position that I found through being a student editor at the Federal Law Review and the Australian Yearbook of International Law. So I put an application in, but I didn't get that one. But I expressed an interest in future opportunities with the court, and then I was very fortunate to get a call to come and interview for an associateship with the Chief Justice. I've always found that the law academics here have gone above and beyond the role of course convener or lecturer, and they're really invested in you and your career and what you want to do. And I found that particularly female mentorship here was incredible. I was able to get coffee with Dr. Faith Gordon to discuss our overlaps in interest in research, and I'm now doing a law internship paper with her, which is great, and able to meet with Dr. Dom Della Posa and pick her brains about potential honours thesis topics for me next semester. Just the generosity of lecturers giving their time, always having an open door policy has been incredible, and also invaluable in building up my confidence. So in terms of next steps for me, short term, I'm really excited to be returning to the Supreme Court as an associate to Chief Justice Morell in the middle of this year. Then I'll be doing my honours thesis, second semester, and graduating both my degrees end of the year. Opportunities pop up that you wouldn't have thought of that you can really enjoy. Also, it could be a stepping stone to something else further down the track that you haven't realised that you really are passionate about yet. So I think getting exposure to as many areas of law as possible is great as an undergrad, because you can really hone into what you're interested in, what you're passionate about, and then you can align that with future employment prospects, I suppose. I think that would be advice I would give.